Welcome to Blessington's maintenance tips video for the PFAFF Quilt Ambition 630. Hi, my name is Sharon and I'm sitting here with my PFAFF Quilt Ambition 630. Now we all know that to keep your machine running smoothly that we do need to clean it regularly. I'm going to give you two little tips that I learnt the other day. The first one is, as well as using your brush that comes with the machine, it's really handy to have a pair of tweezers. And let me show you why. So now we're just going to take off that bobbin cover. Machine is off, the feeds are lowered, the needle is up, and now we're just going to undo these screws. So now we've got the screws out, just going to take that bobbin out. Now we're just going to lift this plate very gently out of the way. Take out the bobbin case. And now we're going to get our brush and make sure that we get all the little bits of lint and little bits of fabric out of it. Don't blow, because that could trap bits of fluff or lint into your machine, which we don't want. So just use your brush or your little pair of tweezers, which are always very, very handy just for getting those little fibres out. Once it's done, just got to make sure that that bobbin case is nice and snug back in here where it belongs, and you can hear it click. And then when you swivel it, you can see that it's just hitting the stop. It's stopping there where the feeds are, so you know that's in correctly. So now we're just going to gently slide the plate back on again, making sure that that little bit there, that tongue, is clicked into the side and the plate is pressed completely down, so it's just lovely and flush there. And then we can pop those screws back in again. And that's the second tip. You've really got to make sure and run your finger over the edge that that is completely flush with the machine. It's not slightly raised at all, otherwise, you know, you're going to damage your needle and it won't stitch correctly. So now we've tightened those screws up nice and tight. Lovely flush plate. Putting in the bobbin cover. And then I'm just going to give my machine a quick wipe with a nice soft dry cloth. And there we have it. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit blessington.com.au.